In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean your Android phone. Now you can use some methods to clean your Android phone. For the first method, just open up your settings app. After that, scroll all the way down. Then go to device care option. At first, just go to storage and then scroll down a bit. Now to clean your device, at first you have to clear your recycle bin. Just open up recycle bin and then clear recycle bin from here. If I select gallery, just tap on three dots, then tap on empty, then tap on delete, and it's complete. Now open messages, then tap on three dots, then tap on empty again, then tap on delete, and it's done. Now for the second method, just go back and then go to memory option. From here you can clean your RAM or memory. Just tap on clean now option. Now it will clean your RAM and it's complete. And that is how you can clean your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.